Can you follow me back? I already followed you. Hindi. No. My God. Hi, Michael Wells. Michael Wells? Oh, you're following me. Hi. Oh, what do you mean? I don't understand. Tulungan niyo na ako. Hi, still you okay? Do you know what? I'm so sad. No one is gifting me. Like, for real. As in, no one is gifting me even 1 peso. That that gift is yesterday. The day is going to end here like 1 hour and 30 minutes and I don't get anything. That's why I'm so sad. Hi, Larry. That's why I'm so sad still. No one is gifting me. Not even a peso. It's so sad. You know, you know. Like, I'm so pretty today, but no one is gifting me. No one is appreciating me. Like, no, I'm just ranting. I'm just ranting to you because you're the only one who's gifting me always. That's why they're. What are you? I don't know. Hi, Gab Gab. Di mo ko pinapa. Ganyan ka. Elver before. Hi, Elver. Hi, my friend. How are you? I'm sick for almost 1 week and half, I guess. That's why I don't do anything like live. I don't even do that because I'm sick for almost 2 weeks. 1 week and half. I'm sick. Hi, Maro. Hi, Herbie. Ano ba name yours? Oh my God. Dami ba? Do you know Supermax? Oh, hi, Dino. See? There's no one. Still no one. So sad. Hi, Sky Ray. Sky Ray. Thank you, babe. Thank you so much. I'm happy. Oh, that's 10. Thank you. I'm not sad anymore. You're so kind. Like, Hey, Sky. Sky, how are you? Are you happy? Here's my outfit today. I'm wearing sandals. Hmm, That's it. Thank you. Sky. Sky, where are you? Sky Ray. You're not gifting me. That's so sad. Sky. It's so funny, you know. Hi, Stefan. How are you? Hi. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Hi. Hi. Say face squid. What's that? Oh, you're not following me. Marksman. Just can you tap the screen? We don't have a viewers right now. It's so hard to get gifts. Like, you know, if you guys don't want to send me a gift, let's tap. Because it's so hard. You know, nahihirapan na ako. Sky, why you're not gifting me. I will be so sad. Thank you. Look, my nails match my character. Mm, thank you. Hi, Smug. Cotsonera. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Till. You're making me happy so much. Hi, Pipino. Tulungan nyo na siya. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. J. Hi, Mr. J. Hi, 667. 66. Hi, Pipino. Hello. Tulungan mo na ako, Pipino. Pipino. Di mo ako pinapalo, ganyan. Tulungan mo na ako maka 4-star. Followed you. 4-star. Tulungan nyo na ako. Baka yung nagagandahan sa akin. Thank you. Thank you, Angel. You're my angel right now. You're so kind, you know. Like, you know. Oh, thank you. You're so kind, you know. Thank you so much. Hi, Elish. Thank you, still okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry, I'm lagging. That's that's our that's our connection. And to see Yeah, I'm back. Because I'm sick for almost 2 weeks. That's why I don't live for almost 2 weeks. That's so sad. And now I need to reach 5,000 gifts. It's only 3,244 to go. Hi, Burger. Still, Miss Kyrie, you're not going to help me anymore. You don't want to help anymore. Don't want to help. Oh, thank you. So gorgeous. Thank you, Anna. How many minutes I'm streaming? Oh my god. Hi, Week. How are you? Scary, you're not gifting me anymore. I would be so sad. Look at still you. Look at still. He loves me. Hi, Week. Oh, you're not following me. You're not following me. It's so funny. Probably. Hehe. Haha, I'm a good girl. You should move around a bit. Yeah, I take medicine earlier. By the way, thank you for gifting me. Hi, Marcelo. Hi, CCM. Hi, Windows. Right, Windows. Hi, John Mark. Star. Star. Thumbs up. Thank you, Steve. Greg helped me to reach 4 star. I need to reach 4. If you guys reach